Get ready for an event with me as a cosplayer. First off, stockings. One, for safety. Number two, so our skin is always even all over. Now for the corset. Not everyone wears corset. Personally, I just like it. So when I turn to my sides or I bend down, hindi nag-bulge yung tummy ko. Kasi meron akong baby fats. Let's move on to the costume. Today, I'm cosplaying Banshee from Wuthering Waves. This was made by Ishihara. Tada! Breathe. So hard being a cosplayer. I already styled this wig. Pero I tried yung method na i-blow dryer mo siya. Tapos, magkakaroon ng volume sa taas. So, titignan ko pa lang kung it made a difference. Kasi medyo flat siya up top.